What are nature and ambient sounds? Nature sounds are the gentle whispers of our environment. The sound of ocean waves, falling rain, chirping birds, or a crackling fire. Ambient sounds extend this concept, blending subtle, continuous noises like soft winds, distant echoes, or cosmic hums to create a calming atmosphere. These sounds form the natural symphony that surrounds us, often unnoticed but deeply impactful. Nature and ambient sounds do more than set a peaceful mood. They have proven therapeutic effects. Let's explore their powerful benefits. Water sounds like gentle rain or flowing streams activate the parasympathetic nervous system, slowing heart rate and lowering stress hormones like cortisol. Improves sleep. White noise, such as wind, soft rain, or rustling leaves, masks sudden noises, calming the mind and promoting restful sleep. Enhances focus and creativity. Forest sounds and light breezes create a non-intrusive backdrop, allowing the mind to focus and flow, perfect for studying or deep work. Connects with spirituality. Earthy sounds ground us, while cosmic ambiances align with spiritual practices, making these sounds a powerful companion for meditation. Let's break down nature sounds by the elements they reflect, each with a unique energy and effect on our well-being. Earth, rustling leaves, distant thunder, grounding and stabilizing. Water, ocean waves, flowing rivers, fluid, calming, and emotionally healing. Fire, crackling flames, burning wood, energetic and transformative. Air, wind chimes, soft breezes, freeing and dynamic. Cosmic, celestial drones, space-like echoes, spiritual and expansive. Integrating these sounds into your daily routine can be simple yet profound. For relaxation, create a calming playlist with water sounds or soft cosmic hums, perfect for unwinding after a long day. For focus, use subtle wind and forest ambiances as a backdrop while working or studying. For meditation, pair your practice with elemental sounds, like a crackling fire for inner strength or ocean waves for emotional balance. For sleep, drift off to sleep with rain sounds or white noise to quiet your mind. Nature and ambient sounds are more than just background noise. They are tools for healing, focus, and inner peace. Embrace the harmony of the natural world. Listen closely, for within the whispers of the wind and the rhythm of the rain lies a quiet magic waiting to calm your soul. Thank you for joining me today on Inner Stillness. If this resonated with you, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more sound healing journeys. Until next time, may you always find peace in the quiet sounds of nature. Thank you for watching.